Hello little artist. Welcome back to Study Class channel. In today's video we learn something smart. Let's start. Hello kids. Today we learn house drawing. At first, we took a black marker. Now, we start the drawing. First, we draw a straight line. Next, we draw another. Parallelly, we draw another straight line. And join this too. Here, our roof drawing is completed. Now we draw two straight lines parallelly. And this is the wall of the house. Then we join two straight lines. And parallelly, we draw a big straight line. Next, we draw a rectangle shape to draw the door. Here, we draw a square shape to draw the window. Then, we divide it. Now, it's time to coloring. We use red color to color the roof, the top of the house. Red color. Red color. This is yellow color. Here, we use yellow to color the wall of the house. In another part of wall, we use sky blue color. Blue color. We use blue color to color the door of the house. We use pink color to color the window. Now, our drawing is completed. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and like. Bye.